Hey folks, it's Josh with TechBee. In this video, let's check out the most suitable models for you based on price, performance, durability, and more. If you wish to know more, go through the links given down the description. Let's get started.
Folding treadmills are innovative, as they offer a great machine that can help you cut off excess weight without cluttering or cramping up your entire space at home. It occupies only less space and provides easy cleaning, portability, security lock, and more.
Starting off our list, we have a fantastic model you can never go wrong with.
This Soul F80 treadmill comes with a strong 3.5 horsepower motor and delivers challenging speeds up to 12 miles per hour with 15 different incline settings. It has a vibrant display that helps to display feedback about speed, incline, time, distance traveled, calories, pulse, and the pace at all times. And it also offers a 4th mile track feature and a peak and valley graph for specific programs. Plus, its built-in speakers allow you to hook up any MP3 player for easy listening. And its included Bluetooth technology enables the users to record workout feedback from their treadmill to an Android or Apple smart device. Furthermore, it can also track fitness info on the free Soul Fitness app and help transfer to other compatible fitness apps.
Not everyone can afford big bucks on the pricey models on the market. This one is the right pick for you if you're looking for a budget option.
This Horizon Fitness 7.4 comes with a 3.5 continuous duty horsepower motor and a 500-pound thrust incline motor. Its advanced Bluetooth connectivity can quickly connect to multiple devices to stream media through the integrated speakers and tracks your heart rate, calories, and more. And its quick dial controls help to simplify the speed and incline adjustments without breaking your stride. Plus, its Johnson digital drive system features a rapid sync technology and ensures no lags or delays between speed and incline changes. As well as its Sprint 8 is more efficient than a basic HIIT workout, as it engages fast twitch muscle fibers and naturally stimulates human growth hormone.
Before we look into the next option, tell us what's your favourite model and the reason why you love it in the comments section below.
This treadmill from NordicTrack features an immersive 10-inch HD touchscreen to browse a vast library of studio classes and global workouts, and provides professional fitness training in your home. Its Bluetooth headphone connectivity can sync your favorite headphones to your treadmill and lets you listen to your iFit trainer and the iFit workout music simultaneously. Its iFit workouts incorporate automatic trainer control, which allows your trainer to digitally adjust your incline, decline, and speed for you. And it provides a runner's flex cushioning to enable you to customize your workout with a softer surface or a more rigid surface that copies the road's feel.
If you don't get your money's worth, there's no point in purchasing the costly models. Well, buddy, the next product on this list gives you the best value for your bucks spent today.
This treadmill from Horizon comes with advanced Bluetooth connectivity that can sync your device to your treadmill's integrated speakers and streams media with crisp, vibrant stereo sound. It has a built-in device holder that makes it easy to keep your tablet or phone in view for entertainment or instructor-led exercise classes. And its sturdy holder helps keep your device safe even during hard runs. Plus, its durable drive system recalibrates with each footfall to help you stay in perfect rhythm during your workout. And its 3-zone variable response cushioning provides the ideal amount of flex and support in all phases of your stride.
Next up, we have an excellent option for you. Let's check it out.
This quiet and powerful treadmill from Xterra comes with a large 20 by 60 inch belt and delivers sufficient room to feel comfortable and secure with users of all fitness levels and sizes. Its easy to read bright blue LCD can track all your necessary workout feedback, including program profile, time, speed, pace, distance, calories, incline, and pulse. And its extra soft deck cushioning technology provides multiple cushioning points throughout the deck support system for maximum impact absorption. Plus, its handlebar mounted speed and incline controls provides you with a secondary location to change your workout intensity for a relaxed and protected workout. And its smooth and quiet high-torque 3 horsepower motor powers the treadmill for a speed from 0 to 12 miles per hour.
Are you looking for the highest end model here? Next up is the model that none in the market can compete with.
This treadmill from Proform comes with a choice of 30 preset workout apps with incline matching technology and allows you to customize your workout to suit your needs. Its ProShocks cushioning helps keep your feet comfortable, and its 7-inch full-color touch display keeps you informed of your workout stats, including time, speed, pace, distance, calories, incline, pulse, and more. Plus, its 2 hand grip EKG sensors built right into the handlebars provide you a quick reading on the console for heart rate training. And its 2 2-inch speakers are compatible with smart devices and lets you connect to your smartphone, tablets, or other devices to listen to your favorite tunes. As well as its space-saver design allows you to fold the deck up and out of the way after your workout for a simple home storage solution.
Thank you so much for watching. So, if you want to continue watching good tech content, make sure to subscribe to the channel.